All right, great news continues this week as we continue to see rates decline, right, Tyler?
Yeah, what's going on, Tiana? Great news, great news. It's been the past week was great. Inflation numbers came back and it's lower than expected, so the rates have been doing wonderful. So and again, I think the projection coming up it should be good. The forecast is looking good.
Right. We shouldn't see any crazy, hopefully we shouldn't see any crazy increases. I know at some point we were talking about nines, but thank God we're going the other way.
Exactly. Yeah, the crazy thing is the Fed's supposed to meet tomorrow on Tuesday at 2 p.m. So, we're not expecting to see anything crazy. They're getting what they want with the inflation numbers. It's going down, so it's a good situation. So, again, we don't forecast anything crazy happening, but who knows?
Oh, okay. So your prediction is that nothing really will change tomorrow.
Yeah, I think it's just going to be a pause. Yep, for sure.
Perfect. Okay. Well, now that we're getting close to the end of the year, I wanted to talk about your thoughts on next year, 2024, what you think will happen, what's going on with some of the industry chatter. Like, are you hearing anything about rates in particular or house values or anything like that?
Yeah, we've been hearing about the rates. Bear Habib had a great, great webinar the other day. He's stating that, hey, we might be seeing the sixes probably by April, like mid sixes around that range. So we might be seeing as early as April. And then I think you share something with was it NAR, right? The economist of NAR, he's stating March. So again, these high economists and very knowledgeable people in our industry are stating it's going to be in the sixes by March, probably spring or later spring or second quarter.
That will definitely be interesting to see how it plays out because it's been such a crazy pendulum swing with everything. And even home appreciation, right? Like in the COVID years, we were seeing crazy appreciation, 20, 30, 40%.
Yep.
And so I feel like it's leveled out at this point. And even recently, the numbers for forecasts for 2024 have come out and there's nothing crazy, another 1.5% increase in values next year. So we are still predicting some increases, but nothing like 2020, 2021.
For sure. How do you feel about the rental market? I mean, what are your projections on that as well? Do you have any thoughts on that?
Yeah, on the rental market, meaning what renters are paying?
Will go up, will it go up, will increase in rental?
Yeah, we've started seeing in our market that's definitely stabilized where in, the COVID years, even in rentals, we were seeing multiple offer situations.
Really?
We're seeing it stabilize and landlords getting stricter on what their policies are, meaning they really do want the verification of income. They really do want to see credit scores. Before it was a little bit more lax, and now it's definitely getting a little bit more strict in terms of what the landlords are requiring. Just, so many crazy horror stories in the news of how tenants have taken advantage of some things. So we'll see how that pans out, but I don't see it decreasing anytime soon in our area.
Oh yeah, I think our rental market is very strong. So, and this is just for our investors that are still on the edge too. I mean, we still get a lot of calls for investors, so some of the numbers are still working out for them. So.
Yeah, exactly. And even more so now that the rates are going down, right? There's a little bit more relief on that side of it. But yeah, the rental market on our side is definitely stabilized. It's not crazy month over month continues to see increases, but it's not going down.
Yeah. So far, good news, for all around. So.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out to Tyler or myself on the market. Any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comments. Hope everyone has a great Thanksgiving. See you later.
Happy Thanksgiving.